LUGANDA XLz okuveka twe week 11 of the excellence. How y'all been doing, man? I just want to thank everybody that's been following and sharing, liking, loving the series, man. Listen, we used to be together, brothers would applaud me. She was that high-class, rich family kinda-ish, while I was on my trying to survive and diver-ish. She always told me we would be forever, that I shouldn't be worried. She don't even need no cheddar. Yabanga what you say. She was Bordeaux with the best head. I couldn't complain, got Nawanika, nails, hair fist, her whole body's fly. And without you, truth and modesty, Chichina, send this side to body cheat. I pray I don't see with my eyes, Jah hold me. Wangamba Syrian Simbi. As long as you love me like a queen bee. Well, sweetie, I love the gifts that you bring me, but if it's not alone with you, then I feel like everything's free. That was real, but now all of that time's away. She used to love math, now you ain't even trying to find your ex. I think what I be out in the team, but that you got to me is nothing but a ringer. Till I met you and saw it all in 4D. Now when they question me, I say again that Naviroti. Again that Naviroti. She said I'm trying to do me, no hermaphrodite. See you excels, we'll meet up in the afterlife.